This new CLI tool is crazy good, and I don't know if I've been excited about some terminal like this before. It's called cmux, fully open source, built on top of Ghosty, but it's built for multitasking, which makes it a perfect terminal for coding with AI agents. Let me show you first what's the problem with regular terminals. So here you can see Ghosty, and by the way, I really love Ghosty. I also made a video when I switched from iTerm to Ghosty. So here, for example, we can go to my 8-bit-cm project. Here we can run pm dev, so we are running our local host right here. Then we are opening a new tab. Then I want to run Claude. Then on another tab I want to run another Claude. Then again I want to go, for example, to my Warcraft CM project. Then here I want to run pm dev. Then again I want Claude to run also to Warcraft, and you get it now. We are making 1 million tabs, and it is really hard here to organize all this and to know where is everything. So here we know we have pm dev, here Claude running, and here as well, and we don't have any info what is actually happening here with all these Claude agents working. So cmux handled that one in one really awesome way. Let's do now the same thing, but with cmux. So here we are inside of the projects directory, and I'm going to 8-bit-cn. Then we're going to run the dev server. There it is. We have it running. Then we can open a new tab. Here I'm going to run Claude. Then for another Claude agent, I'm going to put in command plus D, and it is splitting here our terminal, and here I can run another Claude agent. So we have now two agents at the same time. And check out this one. Here we have running inside of our workspace right here, which I'm going to show you later how is this one working. But now for Warcraft CN, I'm going to type in command N, and we're opening a new workspace, and here we can just go to Warcraft CN and do exactly the same thing. So we are running here pm dev, running the local host. It's not working because we have 3000 already, but it doesn't matter. Here we are going to run Claude, and then again split. We can split multiple times. We can run multiple agents on just one workspace like this, which is really amazing. And this notification thing, so you can see here we have this bell, and for example here if I say check if there are any type errors like this, awesome. Now we can see it's vibing right here. We can go to another workspace, and here we are going to get the notifications, what is actually happening there. So you can see here Claude needs your permission to use bash. So we are returning back here, yes, just proceed. Then we are returning back working something on Warcraft CN, or opening completely another workspace while the agents are working here, and we are going to get the notification. You can see it also here on the bell icon. So we have no type errors found. We can click there and go directly to that tab where we assigned that task to our AI agent, and there it is. So we have everything within one screen, which is really amazing. Also, these workspaces, we can rename them however we want. So we can here, for example, say 8-bit-cn, which it is right here. Then here we can just put Warcraft CN. So we know exactly which workspace is for what, and it is so organized. It is not like, it's not looking like something big, but it actually is, because we really had problems with regular terminals like this. We can also here split, but that one is not enough. We definitely needed something like this where we can organize our AI agents and we can have everything working within the workspaces. So this one is perfect. And these smart notifications are definitely a killer feature right here. So you can go to your browser, do something, then return back, and you have the notification. So you can just click it and it jumps directly to that AI agent that created that notification, and you can just continue and tell something else, give here another task, and you'll have everything organized. cmux was clearly designed with AI coding in mind. I mean, we have here multiple agents working together in multiple tabs, and this is what happens when someone who really uses AI coding agents creates a tool they wish they had. This project is fully open source. They have now 6.8 thousand stars. Go give these guys a star. If you're doing any AI-assisted coding, this is a no-brainer. Only downside for now is that it is only for macOS. I hope it's going to be released soon for Windows and Linux as well, but until then you are stuck waiting. If you try it out, let me know what you think. Link is in the description, and for more content like this, join the mighty horde, subscribe.